Hi, we are the Red Team, and this is our IMC project for Giant's commuter bikes. Cycling is becoming a very popular method of commuting in urban areas, especially across Europe and the US. As such, the market for road bikes for the purpose of commuting is expanding rapidly and becoming a very lucrative segment to target. Through primary and secondary research, we found that our key consumers are young, hip, and live in urban areas. They are newly independent and are focused on shaping and building their identities. Accordingly, they are likely to seek out products that deliver a reflection of their identity and values. By understanding that commuter cyclists want a bike that is reflective of their values and signals their identity, we position Giant as the bike brand that creates a product that is uniquely theirs and reflective of themselves through our big idea, Humans of Giant. Our big idea, Humans of Giant, highlights and celebrates Giant's key consumers' lifestyle, diversity, and their unique characteristics, and ultimately their identities that are holistically reflected in their bike. We designed 10 tactics we believe will drive our big idea, appeal to our key consumer insight, and meet the objective of entrance into the key consumer's consideration set. We have outlined a few of these tactics here. For our social tactic, we will create an Instagram and Facebook page for the Humans of Giant campaign, similar in concept and style to Humans of New York. On these platforms, we will interview and highlight commuter cyclists who use Giant road bikes, their experiences, and their identities. We will create a powerful collection of photos and stories all compiled in one place to demonstrate how unique identities are reflected in the Giant road bike. Through this storytelling, we will deliver captivating and valuable content to the target market, creating branded social media accounts that the consumer will want to engage with. Each photo will be punctuated with the hashtag Humans of Giant. Users will also be encouraged to submit their own Humans of Giant stories and experiences to be highlighted on these pages by tagging the account and using our hashtag. This strategy will create brand engagement and facilitate a fun relationship between Giant and the user. For our interactive and digital tactic, we will create a personalization station under the road bike category on our website. This will allow users to customize features of the bike they order, so that the user is able to have a bike that is unique to them, reflecting their identity and personality. They will also be able to give their bike a name while placing the order, which no other user will be able to have. By allowing the user to customize low-cost aspects of the bike and giving it a unique identity, they will feel a stronger connection to the product, delivering a distinctive experience only Giant can provide. We will also create an app specifically for commuters called Giant Commuters. On this platform, users will be able to create a profile for their bike, share fastest and bike-friendly routes between hotspots in their cities, and create meetups for those who have similar interests. With this, we aim to create a community within the Giant brand by connecting users of the brand. When designing our campaign, we had to consider where our tactics would be experienced. We chose video, social, print, and radio. Because our advertisements are very visually engaging, we will distribute these through social media. This is a fast and attention-grabbing media platform that hosts many of our target consumers. Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube targeted ads, as well as SEO, will all be employed in the Humans of Giant campaign. This way, we will be able to accurately target our niche market on the platforms that they are already organically on. Thus, we will have a significant access to be able to increase our audience share. Finally, we will place our radio ads on streaming services like Spotify and in front of podcasts, especially during commuter hours and break times. This is because the consumer is likely already commuting via public transport and therefore will be able to change their commute to a bike easily than those who listen to traditional radio and commute by car. Because most of our target market is not heavily into the biking world and instead uses biking as a commuting strategy, our print advertisements will be found in magazines that directly appeal to our target market's tastes. This includes arts and culture, news and politics, and general newspapers. Some of these will include the New York Times, the New Yorker, Art News, Green Space, and Le Monde. We will also place advertisements in local zines in cities that have large commuter cyclist communities. This way, we'll be able to target even more niche markets based on the interest and lifestyle.